Hey, it's Cody A here. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing a story of a friend who has built up his account from $20,000 up to $70,000 and back down to negative $20,000 all within a 2 weeks span. It's a story I've been wanting to share, and now is the time to share after 2 years because everything died down, and I really want to share those information with you guys so you guys can avoid the same mistake. In case you guys are new to the channel, my name is Cody A. I'm a 7-figure stock option and real estate investor who has been featured on 80+ investing podcasts just last year alone, and I'm also a regular speaker for TD Bank on the topic of stock option investing. Before we get into the story, I'm gonna lay some groundwork and some terminology for people who are new to stock option, and we'll get right into the story. The first key concept is called the rate of return. The higher the rate of return, that means you're making more percentage per year, and what's more important is that it will get you to your financial freedom a lot faster. It's like driving a car. If you're driving at 50 kilometers per hour, you'll get to your destination maybe in 2 hours, but if you drive it at 100 kilometers per hour, you'll get to your destination in 1 hour. So the higher the rate of return you make, the faster you'll get to your destination. And if you can get your portfolio to grow faster, that means you will have more money to put into your dividend account. And once your dividend payment is more than your regular 9-to-5 job, then that will allow you to quit your job and achieve your financial freedom. And the reason why we rely on dividend is because dividend payment is a lot more reliable than the stock price fluctuation. It will help you sleep better at night when you're focusing on the dividend payment rather than the stock price fluctuation on a daily basis. So let's get right into the groundwork and the lingo you need to know before I introduce the story. And before I introduce that, make sure you click that like button so more likely you will be able to absorb these lingo. Selling put or call options is a lot easier than you think. This is one of the few strategies that you can be wrong about the market direction and you still make money at the end. While this strategy is easy to execute, you should still spend some time learning all the terminology and the lingo. First, let's talk about what an option is. An option contract gives you the option to buy or sell a certain stock at a specific price and on or before a certain date. There are two types of options: call options and put options. If you buy a call option, you're expecting the stock price to move up. If you buy the put option, you're expecting the underlying stock to go down in price. But with the strategy of selling options that I'm introducing to you guys, you can make money whether the stock goes up, down, or go in circles. And you also need to know about the strike price. This is the predetermined price that you're gonna buy or sell the stock at. And also we have the expiration date. You have to end your contract before or on this date. Or when you're selling option, you can also let your contract expire and keep all the premium. And here comes the best part, also known as the premium. When you're buying options, you're buying the time value for the stock price to move in your favor. The price you pay for the option is called the premium. Each option contract consists of 100 shares of the stock. When you're selling options, you're on the other side of the table of buying options. You're selling time value to speculator and you receive the premium as a passive income. And selling options allows you to become the casino now, and which is dealing cards and collecting the fee. If you're new to these terminology and you don't get it, don't worry, you can watch this video a few times and I'll also repeat them a few times while I'm going through this story of how my friend brought his account from $20,000 up to $70,000 and back down to negative $20,000. So let's get right into the story, and I will have to relive the moments from 2 years ago, and it's excruciating. And yes, he did make the trade on GameStop, and that's the famous meme stock that make people a lot of money, but also blew up a lot of people's account. So here's what he did during those days, okay? So he started reading all these memes in January 2021, and then he saw the start going up and he does not want to miss out, and he has the FOMO, the fear of missing out mentality, so that he starts selling a put option starting on January 14th. And before we go further, I'm gonna introduce what a put option is. So there's two types of put option. One is called naked and one is called cover. A naked put option, just like exactly what it means. That means that you do not have the cash in your account to buy the underlying stock. So when you're selling the put option, a naked put option, that means you do not have enough money to buy 100 shares of the stock. In this case, when you're selling a naked put option, you make money when the underlying stocks stays the same or decrease slightly, will also increase in price because inherently you are neutral to slightly bullish on the stock. The risk of selling a naked put option is that you can lose all your capital. Okay, it's still limited risk. If you put in $20,000, you can lose all the $20,000. But I wouldn't suggest that for a beginner like yourself, because when you're selling a naked put option, that means that you're using margin. And that means that you do not have the money to buy 100 shares of the stock. And when the market turns, your broker could call you up and margin call you. And that's not where we want to be. And that's where a lot of people suffer during the COVID timing. Even for a more advanced trader, I would suggest you not to use margin when you're selling put option. And remember I mentioned there's two types of option. The second type is called the covered put option, and that's what I think is a lot more risk averse. It's just like selling a naked put option. We make money whether the stock goes up, stays the same, or slightly goes down. Since it's called a covered put option, you already have enough money in your account to buy 100 shares of the stock at any time. And as long as the stock price stays above your strike price, which is the predetermined price you decide to buy or sell the stock at, you get to keep all the premium. If the stock price closed below the strike price by the end of the expiration date, you're on the hook to buy 100 shares of the stock at the strike price. And in this case, your true cost of ownership of the stock has to be subtracted by the premium you receive. So that will bring down your overall cost of ownership of owning the stock. That's why this strategy is a lot better than buying the stocks outright. So enough of the introduction for selling put option. Let's get back into the story here. So my friend here started selling put option, right? And as you guys can see on January 14, 2021, all the way up to January 15, 16 to 20 to 21, right? The stock price has been quite flat, so he was consistently making a lot of money. For this kind of meme stock, the volatility is really high. What that means is that you will get paid a lot of premium compared to other boring stocks that doesn't move at all. This stock moved really fast. So he get paid a lot of money during this week and he get overconfident, right? So he continued to sell more put option, and the next day he make a lot more money. He grew his account from $20,000 to $50,000 just within these few days. So go to your friend, turbocharge his account from $20,000 to $50,000. He should be really happy, right? And here's the turnaround of the story. So even though he's really happy, he knows that a game stock is not a stock you want to hold for the long term. And for the whole time, he thinks that the momentum might be running out on January 25th because he saw that the stock went up a lot and then pull back a lot on the same day. So he didn't sell any more put option, and he was waiting for the moment to bet the stock to start going down. And at this point, his account size is at $50,000. So the next day on the technical chart, actually gave him the confirmation that this stock is about to go down. Why? Because he believed in that yesterday, the stock went up a lot and came back down sharply. And next day, it went up a lot, but it's not as high as the previous day high. So he believed that this stock is definitely overpriced, and he turned around and started selling call options on the stock. And when you're selling a call option, that means is that you're betting the stock is gonna be neutral or be going down for you to make money. And since we're talking about call option and we haven't introduced that, I will introduce the naked call option and the covered call option before we go further in the story. So let's start with the call option. Call option is when you sell an option on a stock that you already own 100 shares of. And you are basically renting it out and say you are willing to give away the stock if the stock price is above the strike price by the expiration date. So you would make money whether the stock goes down, stays the same, or slightly goes up. In terms of selling call options, you will be able to make money whether the stock goes slightly up, stays the same, or goes down. In order for you to sell a covered call, that means that you already own 100 shares of the underlying stock. So you're basically renting the stocks out to someone else who's betting the stock will go up. And as long as you sell a covered call with a strike price that's higher than your cost of ownership of the stock, this is considered a really low risk strategy. because anytime your stock might be called away on you, you're basically giving away the 100 shares of the stock at a higher price than you bought it at. So this is considered a really low risk strategy. And the second part of selling call option is called the naked call option. When you're selling a naked call option, that means you do not own the 100 shares of the underlying stocks. And you will make money the same way as a covered call options. But now here's the thing. If the stock price do not move in your favor and skyrocket, you can lose all your capital and more. So there is unlimited risk, and this is notorious for a lot of traders who are in stock option to lose all their money and more. So with that being said, let's get right back into the story. So on January 26th, my friend do not own any shares of the GameStop, and he started having a confirmation that the stock price is starting to go down. So at this point, his account size is $50,000. So he turned around and sell a naked call on this stock, thinking that stock price will go down and he get paid $20,000 in premium. And that's where it brings up his account from $50,000 to even $70,000. And he went to bed thinking that, man, this is the easiest money on earth. And here's where the twist start happening in the story. The next morning when he woke up, his account went from $70,000 back down to negative $20,000, and his broker has suspended his account because the stock price has gone from $36 all the way up to $90. So that's almost 3 times of the money, and he was betting the stock will go down. And he doesn't own any stock, so he couldn't give the stock away. Yes, he got paid the $20,000, but his whole account went from $70,000 up back down to $20,000 down, and his account is suspended. His broker will now allow him to trade more and actually send him an email of telling him that he has to put in another $20,000 or else he will be penalized. And you probably guessed his next move, but before we go there, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that this will not happen to you. And in case you're wondering, my friend is still working hard on building back up his capital, and he hasn't given up on his financial freedom journey, and he allowed me to share this story so that you do not have to repeat that. If you have to watch this video a few times just to understand it, please do it, because I don't want this to happen to any of you. And I'll see you all on the next YouTube video. Say yay.